Okay, hi. So in this first video, I'm going to explain to you what is bullish engulfing and what is bearish engulfing. All right. So bullish engulfing is is a zone for us to go for a buy, and bearish engulfing is a zone for us to go for a sell. Right. So the formation of this bullish engulfing, as I said, inside bullish engulfing, inside engulfing, we have SNR. Why? Because for this one is bearish candlestick, right? So the formation of this candlestick is open, low, sorry, open, high, low, close. And then for bullish candlestick is open, low, high, close. That's why here we have breakout. But then we do not know the price is going to retrace at this point or this point. That is why I'm marking this zone, and that is why I'm marking this as a zone. Okay. So we have two types of engulfing in bullish engulfing. The first one is bullish, perfect bullish engulfing. Why am I saying that it is perfect? Because we only need one candle to engulf the bearish candle. You see, one candle only. And how to consider it as engulf is the body. The body has to close outside the zone. Has to close outside the zone, meaning it has to engulf together with the shadow. Understand? It has to engulf the shadow as well. The shadow of the bearish candlestick. Okay, so the second one will be blend bullish engulfing, meaning bearish candlestick is engulfed by two or more candles. It can be 3 candles, it can be 4 candles. Okay, as long as the body close above the shadow of the bearish candlestick, it is considered as engulfing. Alright, for bearish engulfing is the same. We have perfect bearish engulfing and blend bearish engulfing. Okay, so now I will proceed to chart so you guys can see very clear. Okay, so from here you can see this one is engulfing, sell. Okay, sell engulfing. Okay, this one is blend bearish engulfing. This one blend bearish engulfing, blend bearish engulfing. Okay, so for this one also, perfect bullish engulfing, blend bullish engulfing, blend bullish engulfing, perfect bullish engulfing. Why am I saying this perfect? Because the body, as you can see, close above the shadow of the bearish candle. Okay, so this one is perfect because it only requires one bullish candlestick to engulf the bearish candlestick. Okay, this one also, see, perfect bearish engulfing, perfect bearish engulfing, blend bearish engulfing. Okay, perfect bearish engulfing. Okay, let me find an example where the candlestick is engulfed by probably 3 to 4 candle. Let me see. See this. This one. This one considered as blend bullish engulfing as well because 1, 2, 3. The third candle, you see the body close above the shadow of the bearish candlestick. Alright, so this is the basic of engulfing. So that's all. Thank you.